Riddle Dog. Riddle Dog. Riddle Dog. Oh, what's wrong? Oh, what's wrong? Why are you crying? What? 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 What's wrong? What's wrong? Ralphie. Ralphie, are you afraid of that fork? Are you afraid of that fork? What if I got rid of that fork? Are you afraid of that fork? Ralphie, why are you afraid of that? Why are you crying? Come here. Do you want that? Well, it's good, but you're afraid of the fork. Why are you afraid of that fork? That fork's not going to get you. Whoops. It's okay. Why are you afraid of that fork? Oh. What? What? Bless you. Ralphie. Come here. Come here. I'll take that fork out for you. Come and get it. Look, you can have the bowl. Do you want that? Mmm. Do you want that? Oh, happy dog. Happy dog. Okay, you got it all. You got all of it. That's a good job. Good job. Okay. Ralphie, are you happy now? Did you get that? Did you get it? Yay.